An order can be created in 3 simple steps. You click on orders, you can see your open, fulfilled, or we can view all. So this is a list of all the orders, whether they're open or fulfilled, and you can also add the cancel orders if you need to. So in this example, we'll just see what the open orders are. So you see a list of open orders, and you can click into these orders and see all of the order details. That includes the buyer name and address, which comes from Google's API, the employee and the date it was created, and then the delivery and or pickup date. That's also editable if you need to edit that. You can scan kegs directly in, so it'll let you know exactly what kegs you need for this order. So we need 5 half barrels of Handy Guy Hard Ale. You can open up the scanner there, or you can open up the scanner to deliver an order on the main scanner page by clicking Delivered, selecting that buyer, and then opening up the scanner. In this example, we will go back to orders. We will create an order, so it's 3 simple steps. First, you select the buyer off the list, so we'll go Fresh Craft. It's a bar and restaurant. The second step is selecting kegs. So this example here, we have a list of our filled keg inventory of all the kegs that have been scanned to filled. So this is great for your sales reps. You don't oversell your product and possibly tarnish your reputation with different buyers. So in this example, we are going to grab 1 6-barrel of the Canadouche, and it's a 6. So we have 3 available 6 barrels. 8 are reserved for orders already. So if we were to reserve 3, we'd have 0 left. If we were to reserve 4, you'd get a pre-ordered keg. This allows the brewers to know that they no longer have any filled kegs with this beer in it. So they need to empty a tank or start brewing more of that beer as soon as possible. So for this example, we'll just grab 1 keg of the Canadouche, and our third and final step is reviewing the order details. So we have our buyer, the address, the kegs needed for the order. The pickup or delivery date is the third and final step, which is optional. So whether you're self-distro or use a distributor, it'll be delivery or pickup. And then we can add a note section. Add 2 tap handles to the order. So once we hit submit, the order populates. We have all the details for this order. So we have the buyer's name and address. We have the employee and the date it was created, whether it's delivery or pickup. You can also edit that if you need to. And then the products or kegs that you need to scan off of the truck, and then the notes section. So in this example, we're gonna scan this keg, and then we're gonna add a keg to the order on the fly. So we'll open up the scanner, and we will scan our keg. So Canadouche we scanned, as you can see, it is now fulfilled. The little yellow light lights up. And then if we're going to add an extra keg, this will say, hey, the product's not in the order. Do you want to add it? Yes, we want to add it to the order. And then if you try to scan the keg again, it'll say, hey, you've already scanned this keg, which is pretty handy as well. So we'll hit Save Changes. It'll take us to our order ready. So this order is now ready to be fulfilled. So it's more or less just a confirmation page. So we see we have 1 6-barrel of Canadouche, and then we have 1 6-barrel of the Lakeside Nights. We can click into order details just to make sure those tap handles are dropped off in the notes section. If we missed a scan, you can open the scanner back up, or we can just fulfill the order. So we click Fulfill Order, and it'll take us back to that confirmation page. We click Fulfill Order, and the order has been fulfilled.